In this video, I want to introduce you to the InDesign planner templates and show you a few ways that you can edit it. So this is just a very simple template. There's 4 different pre-made options in here. They're all based on the same general layout. I've just gone ahead and done some different decorative things for you to give you a head start. But this is the blank layout where you can just add all your own touches. You can put a background on here. You can add in little graphics over top of some of these as like a little overlay, maybe little flourishes. You can change the fonts in these, change the colors of the outline, or take off the outline and fill in the box. So I've already done one for you in pink where I took off the outline. And so then we also have one with a background. So this is kind of a Japanese style floral background. And then I also have one just in a straight gray. And so you can make changes to any of these, or you can just start with the blank one. There's also a monthly layout. And so that has an undated calendar as well as a goal tracker where people can write in their goals for the month and then fill in, color in the days. This is included also as a separate SVG file so that you can use it in an editor that works with SVG files and make any changes you want there. So in order to create a planner from this, you will just choose your layouts. So let's start just with the blank weekly. Everything is on a master page. So we just need to be in the Pages window, which I find over here when I'm in typography mode. But you can also go to Window, Pages, and just make sure that that's checked. So the little stacked lines here, I'm going to click on them and say Insert Pages. So I want to have 4 weeks of weekly spreads. There's 2 pages for each spread, so I'm going to need 8 pages. And I want it to be the blank weekly one. And then I will say OK. And there we go, we've got 4 weeks. Now, after page 9, I want to have a monthly spread. And actually, if I were really building this planner and not just demoing it, I would probably start with a monthly spread and then do my weeks. So I'm going to do the blank monthly, and I only need 2 pages of this. It'll be that goal tracker and the monthly calendar. And now we have those pages laid out. So if we scroll through this document now, we have just built 4 weeks of planners. And then we've added a monthly one. So you can just continue to add pages like that until the planner is as long as you want. And then you'll go to File, Export, and you'll be asked to save it, and then you will get the options for exporting it. I'm assuming that if you are interested in these templates, you do have some knowledge of InDesign. So, but if you are a beginner, this video is for you to just kind of show you how easy it is to use this. So what I recommend doing if you are using the blank template is go ahead and save a copy of this and then work on the copy. That way you'll always have the original file unedited, and you can always, if you make a mistake, you can always go back and make a new copy of this. So I would make all of your edits on the master pages of that copy. That way when you go to insert pages, all your changes will be reflected in your final document. So if you wanted to change the fonts, you could click on any of these text boxes, and you can go to the type tool and just highlight it and change your font up here, change your font size to whatever you want, change the colors. Another easy way to do that is to go to Type and, where did it go? Here, Find Font, and then it'll give you the option to choose which font you want to replace and then what you want to replace it with, and that will change the fonts in the whole document. So if you don't change the fonts on the masters, you can change it in your whole document by using that little trick. So you can also obviously change the colors of any of the text boxes. And you'll want to do this again in the master so that it applies to your entire document. You can change the outline stroke up here, the width of the stroke, as well as the fill color up in this area. You can even change the style of line that you want. So this is, really a head start for you to create planners quickly and easily with InDesign, just making some edits. I've laid out everything for you, and you can just add your own touches and decorations to it.